guys, welcome to our channel Little Things. So guys, I'm going to Trader Joe's to buy some stuff, and there is already a line outside Trader Joe's. But the good point is people are standing 6 feet apart. McD's. That guy seems like my brother. Let's see. Excuse me? Oh my god. तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है?
ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग
ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग तूने तो बोला था तू घर पे है. मैं तो यहाँ ग्रोसरी करने आया हूँ. मैं तो ट्रेडर जॉय जा रहा हूँ. तो बता दे तो साथ में ही आ जाते फिर हम.
आई एम सॉरी भाई.
सॉरी. तू कहाँ जा रहा है? ट्रेडर जॉय या टारगेट? चल मैं भी वहीं जा रहा हूँ. ले लेते हैं सामान.
क्या सामान लेना भाई?
हाँ
भाई
यार बस लेना है कुछ ग्रोसरीज. अभी देख लियो क्या ले रहा हूँ मैं. तूने क्या क्या लेना है? Guys, look at the crowd. The cars, man. This guy is doing a really hard job. This is Corona time and people are still here a lot. Look at the cars, man. चलो फिर हम थोड़ी सी ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं. Alright. मेरी तो शॉपिंग हो गई है और मैं काफ़ी देर से गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ. वेट कर रहा हूँ भाई का. पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है, कितनी शॉपिंग कर रहा है. आई डोंट नो. आई थिंक मुझे बाहर जाके देखना ही चाहिए. उसको बुला के लाना चाहिए. चलो लेट्स गो आउट. ओह माय गॉड, ही इज कमिंग. अब आ रहे हैं महाशय जी इतनी देर बाद. ये क्या भाई, इतनी सारी शॉपिंग, इतना सामान. तू पागल तो नहीं हो गया? इतना क्या लेकर आ गया तू? है
थोड़ा सा तो है.
ये थोड़ा सा है भाई. चल कोई नहीं, रखो फिर. अब लेट मी ओपन द ट्रंक. ये खाली ओनर से ही खुलती है. सी, चल जल्दी से सामान. Hey guys.
हेलो गाइस.
So guys, you must be wondering कि हमने अभी रिसेंटली इतनी सारी शॉपिंग क्यों करी है. मतलब हम स्टॉक अप कर रहे हैं ड्यू टू कोविड और या फिर कोई पार्टी प्लान कर रहे हैं. This is our living area which got converted into a small shop from last couple of days and here is the owner, Mr. Kapoor.
I'm very tired but return to my
Why you're so low? I'll show you the view, beautiful amazing view from our living area. I wish the day would be sunny, then you can see the Twin Peak hill from here directly, but that's okay. We'll show you some other day. So
let me show you.
yeah, what do you have in your shop? Can you just give us a brief?
Yeah, we have chips here, Cheetos, Lay's, Doritos. This is my favorite one.
I didn't ask you which one is your favorite.
I'm telling now. And we have crackers here.
Uh-huh.
And then we have fresh fruits, green apples, red apples, plum.
Yeah. What is this?
This is nashpati.
All right. Seems like you don't know what to say in English.
I don't
Nashpati.
know. And we have cereals. We have marshmallows. We have chicken noodles.
So guys, actually we are looking for Indian Maggi, but हमें सैन फ्रांसिस्को में इंडियन स्टोर है नहीं, तो हमें मैगी नहीं मिली यहाँ पे, तो वही थोड़ी यही ले लेते हैं.
And then we have nuts here. It's mixed nuts.
Yeah, this is something really healthy. Bag full of mixed nuts.
And then we have some snacks, and we have cheese balls, like the unhealthy stuff with the healthy stuff, which you don't let me eat. And then we have cheese here.
This is a box of fresh cheese. People like it here a lot.
And then we have seaweed. It's very rich in nutrition, so you should eat.
But seriously, I don't like the taste of this wheat, and even I don't try the other wheat too, you know.
And then we have eggs here, and we have grape juice, we have tomato juice.
Which one is your favorite juice?
Grape.
Grape?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't like any of this.
And then we have tuna,
Uh,
and we have garbanzo beans, vegetarian soup, and we have tuna kit with the crackers, and then we have
This is my favorite, organic coconut water. I love drinking coconut water. We have Thai milk, and here again this is my favorite,
this
banana.
is my favorite too.
Oh really?
Yes.
And this is again we have something healthy, the protein drinks, which is really healthy. And we bought these bags, 2 colorful bags, and we're gonna fill this stuff into these bags.
Which
And
is your favorite color among these?
yellow.
Okay, mine is.
So it's nothing like that. So basically, Sushant is a frontline worker. So इसको
I have to have a mandatory COVID test from UCSF. तो हम उसके लिए गए थे last week, right?
हाँ ये आई थिंक लास्ट वीक गए थे हम. हाँ तो हॉस्पिटल से जब यूसीएसएफ से बाहर निकले तो वी मेट कपल ऑफ होमलेस पीपल. होमलेस मींस जो इंडिया में एक्चुअली जो बोलते हैं कि
Streets पे
beggars,
होते हैं.
हाँ,
They don't have place to sleep, so they sleep on the
हाँ, जो
streets.
मतलब रोड पे मिलते रहते हैं हमसे पैसे वगैरह बोलते हैं. तो बेसिकली वो यहाँ पे होमलेस होते हैं. तो हमें वो मिले एंड वी हैड अ स्मॉल कन्वर्सेशन विद देम. तो बेसिकली उन्होंने अपनी एक सैड स्टोरी शेयर करी. दे वर आस्किंग फॉर फूड एंड सम मनी टू. And what they told us कि earlier just before COVID-19 situation was like people were going out for lunch and dining in. अब लेकिन COVID की वजह से nobody is going out. Everybody is preferring to go या फिर home delivery service. तो उस वजह से उनका जो फूड का जो सोर्स था इनकम का वो सब बंद हो गया है. क्योंकि पहले जो भी लेफ्ट ओवर फूड होता था वो उनको दे देते थे कि बाहर निकल के अच्छा ये आप खा लो, या कोई किसी को कॉफ़ी बाय कर देता था या कुछ भी टाको बेल एंड ऑल.
So now they are suffering from food security very badly क्योंकि they don't have any source of food and the income, so it's very difficult time for them.
हमने
right now.
वही चेक एज वेल कि जो भी गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइडेड शेल्टर हाउसेज हैं वो भी बंद हो चुके हैं पूरे के पूरे, क्योंकि वो भी फुली ऑक्यूपाइड हैं. सब कुछ बंद हो गया है, मतलब वहाँ पे जगह ही नहीं है. तो दे हैव नो अदर ऑप्शन लेफ्ट. तो देयर स्टोरी रियली टच्ड अस कि यार मतलब इस टाइम पे इंडिया में तो एक्चुअली वही होता है, गुरुद्वारा होते हैं, लंगर, लोग खुद ही लंगर वगैरह कर देते हैं, लोगों की हेल्प कर देते हैं ऐसी सिचुएशन में. अभी कितना मतलब लोग एक दूसरे की हेल्प कर रहे थे. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता यूएस में. मतलब इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट कि मतलब यहाँ पे कोई गवर्नमेंट हेल्प कर रही है लेकिन वो
It cannot reach to everyone.
yeah.
It's difficult.
कि मतलब सब तक हेल्प पहुंचना इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट. तो बस वही हमें लगा कि बीइंग एन इंडियन, बीइंग अ गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग,
We
तो
should
हमें
do
हाँ.
some contribute towards the society. तो हमने उनके लिए एक goodie bag plan किया है.
सरप्राइज गुडी बैग्स हमने प्लान किया. So guys, as you can see, all the 18 bags are ready now. We just need to deliver these to the needy people. And earlier we were planning to go this weekend, but now we are kind of confused. क्योंकि यहाँ पे you guys know कि कोरोना केसेस काफ़ी बढ़ गए हैं एकदम से बे एरिया में. So we are still thinking whether we should go or not. Let's see. Actually I'm thinking कि इंडिया में बोलते हैं ना सैटरडे को, शनिवार को it's always good to donate something. तो सोच रहे हैं कि सैटरडे को ही दे देते हैं. तो शनि महाराज भी थोड़ा खुश हो जाएंगे या मतलब जो भी है. लेट्स सी. आपने जैसे देखा ही है
तो जो भी हमने शॉपिंग करी थी वो सब हमने उनके लिए बैग्स बनाए हैं. एंड नाउ वी विल सी एंड फाइंड देम एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट देम एंड लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन ब्रिंग स्माइल ऑन देयर फेसेस.
यू आर डेफिनेटली होप फॉर द बेस्ट.
या आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट.
What do you think? Is it good?
Yes.
Are you hungry?
Thank you.
All right, buddy.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Are you liking it?
Okay, well, yes.
Oh, okay. So is it really hard these days for the food?
Why, yes.
All right, buddy. Take care. Here you go. It's for you, sir.
So what difficulties you are facing nowadays?
Do you want to share any difficulties you are facing these days? Due to COVID, you are getting less food.
If more of anything, being a female, it's safety. You know, because you're always on your guard, stuff like that. I mean, I see a lot of people out here struggling and stuff, so you know, I try to help them as much as I can. But you know, it's hard to help them if they're not willing to help themselves too.
Yeah, that's true. Do you want to have some food? It has cheese, juice. You can keep the whole bag if you want. You can keep this whole bag. Yep. Do you want some food? Here you go. What's your name? Amy. Nice meeting you, Amy. Take care. Sure. Thanks, buddy. Are you enjoying the coconut water? That's really healthy, right? Yeah, even I love this coconut water. All right, enjoy. Take care. Be safe.
Yes, please. God bless.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Do you want to have some food?
I am starving. Thank you.
Oh, you're
Really?
starving?
Serious?
Here you go,
Really?
man.
Whoa, I see it all the time.
What's your name?
I'm Robert.
Robert?
Yeah.
Here, Robert.
Thank
You
you.
want some too? Here you go. Yeah, it has cheese balls and some juice, some chips. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it very much.
Thanks so much, buddy. Sure.
Thank you.
Sure.
Back for the mine.
Oh, you want some food?
Yeah, where's your matching, huh?
Here you go.
Oh, the whole bag?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Sure.
Can I get that sweater?
Oh, no.
That's a cute sweater.
What's your name? What's your name? Karen. Do you like the chips and juice? Okay.
God bless you guys. Thank you.
What's your name?
Clayton.
Clayton.
Yes, Clayton.
Enjoy the food, man. Hopefully you guys like it.
Okay, thank you guys.
All right. Bye, Claren.
Thank you.
Sure. Did you check the bag, buddy?
Huh?
Did you check the bag?
Yep.
Do you like the stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excellent stuff, man. Good looking.
Looks good to you?
Yes, sir.
All right, buddy. Take care.
You too.
Share some food with your neighbor too.
Oh, of
He's
course.
sleeping,
Of
so.
course. Yeah, I got him.
All right. Thanks,
We
buddy.
look out for each other here on this little corner.
Yeah, be safe. Thank you so much. What's your name? How are you? Nice meeting you. Be safe. We have some fruits. I got some chips and juices.
Thank you. That's
What's your
really
name?
sweet. I'm Erin.
Erin, nice meeting you, Erin.
Oh yeah, sorry. And I have a mask too.
Oh,
I have asthma, so I have trouble breathing.
we
But
just got one bag.
There's
If you guys want to
actually-
share with each other.
there's actually a mom and son that
Uh-huh.
printed out masks earlier today. If I can show you. And I have asthma and I haven't gotten a chance to try it, but they handed these out on the digital printer, so these are
Take this
amazing.
back
Thank
and
you.
share it with your
I'll
neighbors.
share with my family.
All
We're
right,
family. We're family now.
Thank you.
I've been here 2 years.
So, yeah.
All right.
Hi, nice to see you, and here's your mask.
All right, guys. Be safe. Take care.
So yes guys, we distributed all the bags.
And those people were really happy, you know. Definitely we saw that smile on their faces. Some people were a little picky, some were just wanted to get the chips and the juices, not the other stuff, and the rest it's just like that. So you know, they close to each other and they're saying that they can share with each other. So we are
It
good
felt
to go.
really good.
Yeah, hopefully we'll do this kind of activity again. Let's see. Alright guys, thanks for your support. If you like the video, just share it with your friends, and if you want to discuss anything or give us any kind of idea, just feel free to share it with us. Just share it with your friends, like it, subscribe our channel, so that you know, if anybody from our community wants to help us, please feel free to, you know, join us, help us, contact us. Till then, be safe and take care.